Here we are going to discuss again a new topic. As we have already discussed, even out of the box, even something on the last video. So here also we are going to discuss even something which is out of the box. Even most of the people, even they will not be able to know like how they are going to utilize this benefit. Even though saving some good small money also, they are going to get even huge money over there. So how would all this things? It's all about, let's say, if you have a car, if you have a vehicle, and let's say all you know, even if you're crossing any kind of, let's say, border, or let's say if you're going towards the highway, or let's say if you're going to interstate, any kind of places, so you have to pay the toll tax. I hope this is not a new concept. Now most of the people will be thinking, what is a big thing over here? Toll tax, yes, I have to pay the toll tax. I have to cross the toll tax, even whatever the vehicle type of vehicle, whatever you are actually driving. So based on that one, you have to pay the toll tax. So nothing new in that. And we are not even discussing on the same part. Here we are discussing how to make money and how you can save your money to make money. And that is all the concept. That is all about this entire series we are discussing. And here, now let's say this is, as you know, even if you are talking, let's say about India, so definitely there is NHAI authority. I think most of the people, even they will be knowing. So they are actually, if you are crossing and you have to pay this already, whatever, like state, whatever, even the vehicle you are already driving. So based on that one, there are some charges. So I'm just, let's say I'm just giving an example. Let's say if I'm driving a car, so let's say it is around 100 rupees. I'm just giving an example. So let's say if I'm driving, let's say a lorry, or let's say any kind of heavy vehicle kind of things, any bus or something. So let's say I'm just paying 200. Now, if you are driving, you are just going to pay this 100 rupees, or let's say this 200 rupees. But you have never thought, not only paying this 100 200 rupees, you are going to earn even per vehicle again even this 100 and 200 rupees. Sounds good, sounds very interesting. I think most of the people, even they, I don't know how many of you know about this, but yes, if you know already, so definitely you are already getting the benefit. But if you don't know, here only we are just going to make this same even discussion over here. So you have to do, even there are a lot of options are there. So what I am trying to say is, so saving some money, even as it is your own money. So now you know even what are the tools you are going to invest this money. But here also this is kind of an investment. Save small money, whatever money you want to invest, and that money you are going to invest on this project, on these stocks, on this bond, whatever available, whatever the scheme available. So as I already shared, I'm not here to promote any kind of service, any kind of product, so that you can do a research by yourself. Even I'm just here to talk about the benefit, talk how you can make money even without, even let's say, paying, I mean, this small amount, even you can make the same amount. Even how many people are crossing? Let's say now come to the scenario number two. So one scenario, yes, as I am crossing the toll, I'm just going to pay this amount. So that is there. It is over. Now, if I'm saving this money, let's say if I'm giving an example, let's say I'm just saving, let's say around 1 lakh rupees, or let's say around 5 lakh rupees, or 10 lakh, 50 lakhs, 1 crore, whatever. Based on again your investment, based on again your savings, based on again your effort of money, what you can provide towards this investment. So, whatever the amount I just spoke, so based on that amount, even you have to choose the scheme. So there are stocks, there are even schemes, even you have to, as I told you, so you have to research by yourself, and based on that one, you can just even check out. And if you invest over there, now let's say I'm invested, let's say around 1 lakh, right? Or let's say I'm invested, let's say around 10 lakhs. So if I'm crossing the same toll, I'm just paying 100 rupees. Let's say if I'm driving a car, or let's say any kind of heavy vehicle, so that 200 rupees I also pay. But how can I earn this money? So getting this stock, getting this kind of scheme, how many vehicles are passing like you in a day? Just imagine. Even that data also you can collect. Even I can give you this data. Even it will be more than even 10,000, even 20,000 in a day. I'm just giving a rough example to you. I'm not here to share the exact data. So on this 10,000, 20,000, even just imagine in a day, because it is 24 hours, it is never getting stopped until unless there is any kind of situation, like as we have seen in the like let's say even in COVID situation, or let's say any kind of pandemic situation. Otherwise it will be always even normal, it will be always even passing either this side or that side, whatever it is. So it is 24/7. So 24/7 the toll is earning the money. 24/7 the vehicles are going and they are paying this toll, and based on that one, whatever stock, whatever that equity, whatever that units you are holding, even that scheme you are holding, based on that entire even monthly, even I mean, that entire even money, you are going to get this percentage of share. So let's say I'm just giving an example. Let's say, as I already told you, so 1 lakh or let's say 10 lakh I'm invested, and let's say I'm holding a percentage of let's say 1%, 2%, whatever it is, and whatever the profit that entire even tool is making, or let's say I'm not talking for only one tool, it is the entire India I'm talking. That's why I have already mentioned it is under NHAI, whatever even tools are coming. So all these tools, even it will be put together, whatever the amount it is getting, the profit amount, that percentage amount, it is coming directly to your account itself. You don't need to worry, you don't need to go, you don't need to even let's say fill any form, or you don't need to apply for anything. If you are holding this kind of scheme, if you are holding even those kind of stocks, then definitely the money is getting directly deposited to your account, even as a profit holder, even as a shareholder of this scheme. Sounds good. So what you are waiting for? That's what all videos, even so far, whatever videos we already have prepared on this series. I hope you might have watched even each and every videos. If you have not, please go and watch all these videos. So you'll be getting one video, at least one even turning point for your savings and for your investment, and which can even turn around your own life. You might be thinking how much I need to invest, where I need to invest, how I need to start, what amount I need to start. All these options, all those even answers you will be getting by one every videos. And here is another one sample I just shared with you. Any more questions, any more query? As I always said, you are always welcome to my video, always welcome to my mailbox, always welcome to my chat box. You have to just write it to me, or any queries you can just put it on the chat box, so that others also it will be getting benefited. And I'll be always ready to help you, and always ready to answer for all those questions. Thanks for watching.